Well, hello. I went ahead and sterilized the soil again. And, well, quite frankly, I've been trying to nurse these hosta along for over a year. So, I decided to go ahead and clip them all off. Give them a better chance of maybe coming back next year. Or not. Because I have other things to grow. And if they come back, wonderful, we can replant them somewhere else. But in the meantime, I found, I wonder if you can see this. Can you see it? Chili pepper seeds. So we're gonna go ahead and dump the whole thing in here. Sorry about that. It says there are 100 of them. You suppose out of 100 I could get maybe 1 or 2? That would be nice. So I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle them in here. And I'm just going to rough them up a little bit at the top. Alrighty. And we'll see what happens there. One or two things is going to happen. They're going to grow and they're going to choke out the hosta. Or the hosta may get an extra little burst and come back up. And we could put it somewhere else. But for now, hold on, because I have to go get a mark. We'll put this in here for now until I get a marker put in there. And we're going to hit it with a little bit more peroxide water, just to make sure we kill anything in there. Yep, there goes all our seed again. Alrighty. So we'll come along and keep checking on it. You know, peppers, they don't need the high bloom light, so I'm not too sure exactly where I'm going to put these, but I'm trying to make a lower ambient room. We'll see how that goes, but let's hope we get some red peppers, because I could definitely use some more cayenne. You guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I will as well. And I'll speak with you later. Bye.